Hello dear students. So today I will teach you one of the very important topic of English grammar, and that is active and passive voice. Voice change. Okay, so let's begin with the basic rules. Okay, so today basically I am teaching you about active and passive voice, how to change voice. Okay, so basic rules we have here. I will take you into this with a descriptive way. The first and foremost, you see subject into object. Okay, when it will be she in active voice, in passive it will be her, he, him, we, us, they, them, who, whom. Okay, now basic rules of active and passive voice. So find the subject, verb, object. Okay, subject, verb, object. In a simple sentence, just I will make he reads a book. Full stop. Find the basic rules of active and passive voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rules basically I will give you today. So find subject, verb, object. Okay. Now here he is subject, reads is the main verb, a object, a book is an object. Subject, verb, object. Clear? And this is the example of an active voice. So this is active voice. Clear? Now see, convert the subject into object. So here subject, it will be converted into object, and object will be converted into subject. Okay, see, convert, transform हो रहा है यहाँ पे, देखो. So object will be subject. So what is the object here? A book. A book. Okay, what is subject here? He. Will come into it. Then next, what is this? Use suitable helping verb with the object. Of the helping verb with the object. So here object became subject here. Subject. इसके साथ the suitable helping verb or auxiliary verb will be used. Okay, will be used. What is this? So a book, I hope you know the form of verb. Form of verb जो होता है ना, present, past, past participle. I hope you know that. Read, read, read. Okay. Spelling similar, लेकिन pronunciation अलग होता है यहाँ पे. Read होता है present form, read past form, read past participle form. Speak, spoke, spoken, जो 3 फॉर्म होता है वर्ब का. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एक्टिव वॉइस प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में है. सो आ बुक इज रेड, इज रेड, आ बुक इज रेड. स्पेलिंग लुक्स सिमिलर बट प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंट. इज रेड by, he will be him. Okay, you see subject become object here. Verb in the middle. I will explain to you. Okay, this form is over. Convert the main verb into third form. Okay, so verb read we have made into third form, read. Okay, use preposition by. Okay, and we have used preposition by here. Clear? So first basic rule, find the subject, verb, object. Second, convert subject into object. Third, use suitable helping verb with object. Fourth, convert the main verb into third form. And fifth, use preposition by. Okay, use preposition by. Okay. Another example I will just give you, dear students. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay. The cat killed a rat. Okay. So the subject here, the cat, here it is verb, and our rat is object. So we have found the subject verb object. Convert subject into object. Okay. So here object will be subject here, as the rule I have said here. Okay. Our rat became subject here. Use suitable helping verb with object. Okay. So killed, it will be was killed. Was killed. Verb. Convert the main verb into third form. I have already converted. Killed, killed, killed. You know already. Okay, I hope you know. Huh? Use preposition by. So a rat was killed by. Okay. And subject will be object here. The cat. The. Okay. Object. Okay. Meaning is same. And but this is active voice and this is passive voice. Clear, dear students? For more information, I would like to say these tenses cannot be converted into passive. What are them? Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous and future perfect continuous. ये चार tenses cannot be converted into passive voice. Never. Remember this. Okay. Stay connected. Continue to learn and subscribe, share and like this channel. I will give you many more videos. Stay connected. Happy learning.